welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing with items that I received from Beebeecraft. So come on with me, guys. So Beebeecraft is a company where I normally order all of my embellishments from, mostly the bling chains that I use for my crafts. I cannot describe the quality of their items. Now, I'm normally using their bling chains in an array of different varieties that they have, but you need to check out their website because they have so much more. So I'm going to be linking their website below. What I'm also going to be doing is linking a discount code called Grace10 for a savings of 10% off your whole order. Now let's take a look because I'm so excited to unpackage this. And the funny part is that I have ordered these items before, but I cannot ever get enough. And also the sizes of these bling chains come in multiples, especially the designs of the bling chains. I'm showing you this jar because I'm going to be doing a trash to treasure. I was going to toss it. I cleaned it out really good. We're going to embellish this jar with the Beebeecraft items, and you won't recognize this jar at the end of the video. Now, I cannot express enough how beautiful these items are, these bling chains and the shapes. And this one here is iridescent. Is that not a gorgeous piece? I love it. Remember that I will be linking a discount code of 10% off your order for Beebeecraft items. Look at this dangling chain. I absolutely love this. I cannot tell you how gorgeous this is. The camera's probably not doing it justice. To embellish, it is absolutely beautiful. Maybe for an event DIY, I don't know, but this is the second time I've ordered this chain. Now normally this bling chain right here comes in 3 different sizes. I believe this is the smallest one out of the 3 and yet very delicate. So this is beautiful no matter what you're embellishing. There is no other way for me to express to you how gorgeous this piece looks. So very carefully, I will plan out my embellishment with this piece here because of how grand it looks. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's time for us to get started with our Trash to Treasure using embellishments from Beebeecrafts. Let's go. Remember that every time you click the like button and you full watch a video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Okay, so what we're doing here is we decided to go with the red color. It is going to need 2 coats. So in between coats, you do want to let it dry fully before moving on to the next step. Remember to head on over to my community tab where there I have the calendar of collaborations for the month of February 2024. I cannot wait to have you. Always remember to use the hashtag in any of the collaboration videos. They're all open invitations, collaborations. We also want to leave some really positive, encouraging comments as we create masterpieces when making these videos. So I'm not really sure what it is, but this red is really speaking to me lately. Now, once this jar is totally dry, now it's time to start embellishing. So here's that iridescent chain again. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. And then we have the dangling chain right here. So we're going to go ahead and figure out how I'm going to embellish this, and then go ahead and cut the portions out and start using them. And this, I'm using a tiny bit of hot glue, and we are using the liquid cement glue from the Dollar Tree. It is an awesome glue. If you haven't tried it, remember when you're using an adhesive, you want to be in a well ventilated area. You don't want to breathe in those chemicals. And let's get started, guys. I know I said this before, but I'm going to be linking Beebeecraft's website down below. Please go over there and check it out. It is so amazing. I cannot speak enough of it. Now, I'm also going to be linking the discount code for 10% off your whole order. And I'm also going to try to link all of the item SKU codes down below. I'm doing here is I'm using Mod Podge. Now you can go ahead and either use the matte finish or the gloss finish, it doesn't matter. And what that does is it seals in the paint so that it doesn't chip off. And we don't want it to wash off in case it gets wet, so that's what I'm doing here. Remember, you have to let this sit now and dry. While this is sitting here drying, I'm gonna go run and get some florals and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's dry. It is absolutely beautiful. And yes, I did use the gloss finish because it was only fitting since we were using bling. Now I'm going to go ahead and sort out the flowers. I absolutely love the white roses, and that is the Queen Anne's lace. We can't do anything without that. We're going to arrange it, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal, guys. This came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope that you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Don't forget to head on over to Beebeecraft, guys, because they have amazing products. Amen.